The Potente Bathroom Vanity lives up to its name. It is perfect for a large or master bathroom combining expansive counter space and extra storage. The Potente features an oversized mirror with a built-in fluorescent light. The sleek tempered glass countertop and sink have an easy-to-use pop-up drain. One feature that makes the Potente unique is the retractable faucet with 2 different spray options, in addition to the standard faucet. Underneath the sink, you'll find the 4 large cabinets, perfect for storing your bathroom essentials. With its great design and functionality, the Potente is a great addition to any large bathroom.